Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to give you a comprehensive ihub global review. Now, this is taking the world by storm right now. I'm seeing a lot of my Facebook friends making constant posts about this. And the hype is actually real when it comes to ihub global. So we're going to be talking about this in greater detail. We're going to be talking about helium mining and how you can start earning up to $1,000 plus per month, 100% free and 100% passively. So if you're excited for this video, go ahead, drop the video like, subscribe to the channel, and tick that bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, because on this channel, we talk about everything that has to do with affiliate marketing, crypto, and really anything that's going to help you generate more income and have more freedom. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let's jump right into the computer. And we're on ihub.global's website. So essentially, what is ihub global? Well, I'm not sure if you've heard of helium mining, but it is breaking grounds right now. If we jump over to a website called coinmarketcap.com, I know a lot of you guys may or may not be familiar with cryptocurrency. There is a cryptocurrency called HNT or helium. If we click on it, you can see that right now it's trading at $13.91. It actually topped out, if we go to the 1 year low high, topped out at right around $23.01 at its peak. So what ihub global does is they give you this free device called an HNT miner, a helium miner, that you simply just plug into your network and plug into your house, plug into the power outlet, and it uses about 5 watts to generate and mine crypto. That's equivalent to, I think, like maybe $4 or $5 a month on your electric bill. But the cool thing about it is it can generate up to roughly $1,000 plus, depending on the area that the helium miner is in. So if it's in an area where there's a lot of other helium miners, it has the ability to make more money. And I'm going to show you a tool that you can use in just a second, and you can actually go and see your specific area, look at all the helium miners within that area, and find out exactly how much each of them are making, how much helium they're making. And then what you can do is you can take that helium that you earn, you can convert it over to USDC coin, USDT, which is called a stable coin, which is pegged to the US dollar. And then you can convert it over to the US dollar and then transfer it into your bank account. So what I plan on doing, though, is I'm going to mine as much of this as I can, hold it, because I see the price of helium obviously going up from where it's at right now. And we're still at the beginning stages. So this is what the mining rig looks like. It's not really a rig. It's just a small little device. Again, you plug it into your house, plug it into your home network, and you're pretty much good to go in about 5 minutes. Okay, if we go over here to affiliate /host, this is what makes this really, really powerful, is the fact that you as an affiliate, you're going to earn 50% of what you produce. 20% is going to go to the people that actually brought you on board, and then 10% goes straight back to the host and refers and the company ihub.global. This is where they make these devices free. They're 100% free. I think even the shipping, I'm not sure if the shipping is exactly free. That might be free too as well. But they want to incentivize more people to have these devices, because the more people that have these devices, the more helium that can be mined, because these devices work together in synchronicity to produce this helium that is in fact mined. So if you think about it, you might be wondering, well, I would like to just keep all the helium that I mine. Now, imagine doing that, and you could very well go out there and you could find a helium miner that's going to allow you to do that. But if you read right here, Chuck Hansen says, I would rather have 5%, 10%, or even 15% of hundreds or even thousands of hotspots rather than 100% of my own. Now, you might wonder, like, okay, this is starting to sound like maybe network marketing, and the fact that I'm going to have to go out there and I'm going to have to recruit other people. Now, in traditional network marketing, and I've done network marketing over the course of my career, and the hardest thing is, in fact, getting other people to produce, right? So if I'm selling a pill or a potion or some sort of supplement, it makes it harder to bring on people and have them not only take the supplement, but hope they get results and that they share it with others so you can overall build your downline. Well, this thing pretty much sells itself. You don't even have to recruit anybody else, but that will happen by default because you're simply going to get it for free. You're going to plug it into your wall and you're going to be making free money. And it's going to be an easy sell to go to your friends and family and say, hey, I plugged this device in my wall, it was free, and I'm making $200 a month or $1,000 a month. Would you like one too? Okay, here's my affiliate link. It's literally that easy. Such an easy sell. So what I want to do is I want to actually log into my back office here. I'm actually logged in already. And I want to show you how you can get access to your own helium miner or reserve it. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the home page because the link that you're going to click below, if you're on YouTube right now, it's going to be in the description. If you're on another landing page, there might be a button below. But regardless, look below this video somewhere. You're going to see a link where you can get access to ihub Global. It's going to take you to this page, and you're just going to click on Join Now. Okay, and you're going to click on Sign Up now right here, and you're just going to fill out all of your information right here. As far as a username, you can just put whatever username you want to use. You can use your first initial, last name, completely up to you. Then phone number, email, first and last name, your country. Okay, these are all the different countries that allow the device as far as I'm concerned right here. And then your password, and you're going to confirm your password here. And then I agree to the affiliate terms and register. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and log in. It's going to look something like this. And then all you need to do is go over here and click on Reserve a Hotspot. Okay, and it's going to make me log in all over again, which that happens sometimes. So you're going to click on Reserve a Hotspot, and you're going to fill out all this information right here. Okay. Now, regardless if you know your certain area allows one of these or not, or if there's money being made in the certain area, don't worry about that yet. Don't worry about those details because this is free anyways. So just go ahead and fill this out. And then obviously check all the check boxes right here. Make sure you agree and you understand, and then reserve your hotspot. So all you got to do is enter in your contact information here, shipping address, this is where they're going to ship, and then your install address. So the install address is where the device is going to be installed. Now you cannot have two devices in one household. They need to be a certain amount of distance away from each other. So I actually ordered one for this property right here that I'm in. I ordered one for another property that I have, and I ordered one more for another property that I have that are, you know, a few miles apart. So you could do the same thing if you want to order more than one. Again, they're 100% free, so you don't have to worry about that. Just know that they can't be installed a certain distance apart from each other. Okay, so just understand that. And then you can go down here and make sure you kind of read a little bit more about the miner. As you can see, it's complete setup in minutes using a smartphone. It's low power, only uses about the same amount as an LED light bulb, 5 watts. Easily manage hotspots and tokens from the mobile app. So the mobile app, it's going to allow you to earn your helium, and then those tokens will be put in the app in the wallet. And then again, you can transfer those tokens out and convert them into US dollar. And I'll have other videos in the future that show you how to do that on this channel. So really, really powerful stuff. Now it does say, why does the hotspot need my Wi-Fi network? I mentioned that it uses a Wi-Fi network. Will the hotspot affect my internet quality and bandwidth? No, the hotspot uses very little data, nearly zero compared to other set of devices that are consuming hundreds of gigabytes per month. So the hotspot uses data to maintain a view of the global helium network, send and receive data packets for sensors that are in range, and using your piece of the helium network in both instances, the total amount of data usage is extremely small and will never affect your network quality. Okay, so make sure that you place your order for your, of course, the Mountain Dew is $0. Now before they were charging, I believe, $500, but they realized, well, if we get more people this device, we're actually as a company going to earn more. So why not just, you know, offer this device for free? So now that you've done that, you're going to want to go to heliumtrack.app, and you can even do this right when you first register. And what this is going to allow you to do is it's going to show all the helium miners within your area and roughly what they're making on a weekly basis and a monthly basis. Okay, so we're just going to go here. I'm going to click on close. Now I'm over in near Salt Lake City, Utah. So you can see This is like West Valley City right here. Let me go towards downtown Salt Lake City. And we can see, like in this area, for example, this miner right here, if I can click on it, sometimes it can be a little, there we go. And I'm going to click on View Details, and you can see this specific miner right here. Last 7 days, 15 helium, you guys. Last 30 days, 70.59 helium. And obviously, if helium prices go up, the price of helium, then the overall price of what you're making on a monthly basis goes up too as well. So I don't plan on cashing out. I plan on keeping this in my wallet, holding. You can decide what you want to do. If you just want to use this as a quick passive income, you want to pull your helium out, convert it to USD, you can do whatever it is that you want. But this is a really cool tracking app that's 100% free, that when you get access to your back office, you just click on helium track.app, and you're going to be able to obviously get access to this little app right here. So as I zoom out, you can see this is all of the United States right here. Okay. A lot on the East Coast, but you can see there's a lot of devices out there, you guys. If we go over here, for example, like near Italy, France, the UK, Germany, you can see they're all over the place. This is a worldwide thing, you guys. So feel free to look at your area on the map here as well. And then just simply click on any of these green dots within your area. Like here we are in Texas, and Dallas is right here. And we can just click on, for example, this guy right here. Okay, and then View Details. And you can see that this guy right here, last 7 days, 11.57 helium mined. That's $161 in profit. Last 30 days, though, 67.54. That's $945 in profit off of this one free device. So you could see how this is going to grow like wildfire. And the price of helium is going to grow too as well, because there's going to be more awareness around it. And you're going to want to share this with your friends, because if you get results, it's a ridiculously easy sell. Like, you want a free device and you want to make 100% passive income and spend 5 minutes plugging this device in and getting it set up. Well, heck yeah, let's do it, right? So with that being said, if you guys got value from this, you want access to a free helium device. They will be shipped right around, September. Right around September is what they're saying. But what you can do is you can go to your back office and make sure you go to your dashboard. And here's a recording, a recent recording of the helium track release, which was just released, and then all the updates right here. Like, they have Zoom calls on Mondays, Thursdays, Tuesdays, and you can keep up to date as to when they're going to release the actual physical device, so you can go ahead and plug it in. So guys, go ahead, click the link below. This is probably the best opportunity, passive income opportunity, easiest passive income opportunity of 2021. So drop the video like, give me a subscribe if you got value from this and you want more videos like this that teach you passive income ideas, ways to make money online. And go ahead and tick that bell icon to be notified of all of my future videos. And we will see you guys in the next video. Take care.